Welcome to Futura East by Filinvest, a pre-selling mid-rise condominium property. Discover a pet-friendly community where you and your furry friends can thrive. Take advantage of our special promo. Own your condo for just P13.7K monthly, payable over 42 months with additional discounts. Located at Felix Avenue, Burgi, Santo Domingo, Cainta, Rizal, Futura East offers the perfect blend of urban convenience and serene living. Choose from a variety of unit types. Studio unit 1 bedroom, unit 2 a bedroom unit. Prices range from 3.8 MEP to 6.7 MEPs, and each unit includes a laundry cubicle on the roof deck. Enjoy resort-style amenities such as swimming pool, kiddie pool, basketball court, indoor and outdoor gyms, yoga deck, pet zone, 2 Playparks, Clubhouse, Multipurpose Area. Conveniently located near top schools, malls, and hospitals. Schools: UP Diliman, Ateneo de Manila University, Miriam College. Malls: Santa Lucia East Mall, Ayala Malls, Feliz, SM East Ortigas. Hospitals: the Medical City, Metro Rizal Doctors Hospital. Here are 5 reasons to invest in Futura East. Low density. Enjoy privacy with fewer units per floor. Impeccable design. Precision-crafted units with flawless finishes. Built to last. Resilient buildings engineered through cast-in-place technology. Resort-style living. Experience serenity with resort-inspired amenities. Ultimate convenience. Shop, dine, and thrive at Easttown Mall, our future mixed-use development. Message me to inquire or to schedule a viewing.